Welcome to this tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use the new ThermoKey software for microchannel core selection and calculations, TKDesk. So this is the screen you will see as soon as you enter your valid credentials, and I will show you around. On the left hand side we have a side menu for calculation list and calculations, where we are right now. I can enlarge this menu by clicking on this icon. If I click on calculation list, the software will show me all the past calculation that I performed and the last one that I just started. Anytime we want, we can go back to the past calculation and the software will show us all the details of the calculation as well as the technical drawings. We can go back to calculation list, or we can download a PDF. On the top right we have our profile and preferences menu, where you can choose your preferred system of unit of measurements, the language between English and Italian, or go to your profile where you can see all of the details. You can download the EULA or change your password. In any screen of the software, at the bottom you can see the last version of the software, the one we are using at the moment, and we have the help button. By clicking on here, you have the email address of our support team in case of any issue or problem using the software, and you can also download the TK Macro user guide. But let's go back to the calculation and I will show you all the steps. I close this. Here we have a navigation bar, and the software will show you at each step where you are of the calculation procedure. By this drop menu we can select the desired product. Let's go for air-cooled condenser, and will show us an image and a text with the application and the features of the product itself. By clicking on next, we go to the parameter screen, where the software will ask us for the input of the geometric parameters, the refrigerant circuit, the entry condition. On the top right we can also select the calculation mode. Between design, the input is the outlet temperature, or in this case the delta T, and we'll calculate the flow rate, or we can do an analysis in parallelization where the input is the flow rate. But let's make a trial with the design mode. We click on next. The software now is calculating. For the two geometries that we selected, will show us the output of the calculation. Let's say I like more this geometry, and I click on next, and I have all the details of the calculation between the input that I gave and the output that the software calculated, as well as the technical drawings. If I click on complete, the software will ask me if I want to confirm the calculation, as the parameters will no longer be able to edit. I confirm, and it will show me again the same screen that is shown in the completed calculation of the calculation list, where I can download the PDF. And if I open this file, the same details are shown, as well as the technical drawings with all the different geometrical parameters calculated. The software will propose you with standard connections, but if you require any special connections, we suggest you to get in touch with your area manager, and they will get back to you as soon as possible, and you can show this PDF of the calculation. We thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy the use of this new software online, TKDesk. Thank you.